Hey, Trevor here with Endless Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel. On this episode, we're going to be camping on this beautiful lake. We're going to be exploring castles, caves, waterfalls. We're going to be doing some fishing, cooking up some amazing food, and having a great time. So stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss it.
Subscribe and click that bell.
Subscribe and click that bell. All right, you guys ready?
Yeah!
You guys ready? Yeah! All right, let's do this. All right, guys, we made it to our campsite. Beautiful view of the lake. What do you think, buddy?
Good.
We're gonna start unloading the boat and hopefully get out there and catch some fish. All right, well, we got the boat launched and I'm headed to camp right now to pick everyone up. This is Lake of the Arbuckles. It's a beautiful reservoir. We come here every once in a while and we typically do really good on fishing. So we really like to come here. It's a gorgeous lake, very beautiful, and we're ready to have some fun. All right, I made it to camp. It's about a 10-minute boat ride from the boat launch to the camp. Not bad, but let's go pick these guys up. Hey, buddy. You ready to go on the boat?
Yeah.
All right. There's one. Oh, nice. Smallmouth bass right there. Beautiful fish. Well, we're not catching any big fish, but it's just an absolute beautiful evening out here on the lake. Nowhere else I'd rather be. How about you, Jake?
Nope.
What is that? Ruby red grapefruit. Dude, this thing's probably from the 50s. Cleaning up the lake. Such a beautiful view. Well, we were able to come out. Someone target shooting up there. Well, we were able to come out for about an hour and we got a couple little guys. Still a lot of fun to reel in. Look at this view behind me, just breathtaking. But we're headed back to camp right now and we're gonna sit by the fire, enjoy the night. It's gonna be a good time, so stay tuned. Alright, so what I'm cooking up is some pork chops and pork steaks from the pigs that we raised on our homestead. Alright guys, the pork's done. Let's see how it tastes. That is so good, guys. You want a bite, buddy?
Yeah.
How is it?
Good.
It's really good, huh? Here, this is the pork steak. You want to try the pork steak? You know where this came from?
No.
Where'd it come from?
Yeah.
So this pork came from our pigs that we raised on our homestead. Is that pretty cool, buddy? How's that?
Good as well.
Give them a thumbs up. Alright. Alright guys, well we're gonna enjoy this dinner and hang out by the fire for a little bit. Sound good?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Free falling. Our vocal skills are amazing, I know. Free falling! Alright guys, we're gonna watch a little bit of a movie and then we're gonna go to bed. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.
Baby.
Hey, good morning guys. How'd you sleep, buddy?
Good.
Alright, you ready to get up and get going for the day?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it. Alright, so this morning we're going to be doing some breakfast burritos. It's going to be sausage, bacon, and eggs. This is the sausage right here. Alright, today we're off to go explore some waterfalls, caves, and do a little bit of hiking. You guys ready? Alright, let's do it. We stopped by a country store and had a big sign for fried pie, so we stopped to check them out, see how they taste. Really good. That's pretty cool, buddy. You ready to go explore? This is Turner Falls in Oklahoma. Very beautiful little river or creek, whatever you want to call it. So this is the Collings Castle. It was built in 1930 and Ellsworth Collings lived in it. He was a dean at University of Oklahoma. We're gonna go up and check it out.
What's in there? What's so skinny? Hey! Hold on, what's
It's like a sniper post or something.
gone?
Yeah, it's weird.
What's going here? What's in there?
Out the window.
Up this really big staircase, and it looks like it goes to another part of the castle.
There's an arm in the castle.
No, that's kind of slipped it up. Want to keep going, Jack?
Made it! Back.
We found the waterfall.
Go up there, Jack.
This is really cool. Jack, you see the cave right there? Jack, you guys want to go in it?
Right now.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm in a waterfall.
So this is pretty neat, guys. You want to go to the top of the waterfall?
No,
I know there's some caves.
Good.
I know there's some caves up there. That's cool. You want to go up there? There's a big cave. Let's do it. All right, now we're hiking up to see if we can get on top of the waterfall. And we also saw a lot of cool caves up there. So we're gonna go see if we can find them. You can't fall. Jake's got you, buddy. All right, we made it to the top of the waterfall. We have about a 200-foot drop right here on the cliff edge, but we had a pretty decent path to get here, so it wasn't too dangerous. But now we're gonna go explore this big cave. Should have brought the headlamp. Slide off that.
Put your feet.
All right, Jax, so you get in there.
No, you go first. And Jake, you go first. I turn, you go ahead and. You how them falls? Did they fall us to camp to here? No way. No, bees. Bad bees. Bad bees.
Oh, it looks like it's all closed off. All right, Jax, real nice and slow, buddy. Hold on, I'm gonna see if it's worth the time. All right, check that out, guys. That's beautiful. I got you.
Okay.
Go check out that view.
Okay.
Don't get too close to the edge.
Whoa, look at the waterfall.
Isn't that pretty cool? We're just having a blast out here. Jax, I need to go first because we don't know what we're dealing with down there. There could be a big drop off.
You go first.
Oh, that feels so good. Yeah. Natural spring water.
Mommy?
Really good. Nothing else better than that.
Yeah, try it.
Hopefully we don't get in trouble. This whole area is closed. So we gotta hurry up and get out of here. My brother's crazy. Well, I think we got enough firewood. What do you think, Jax?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna be cooking the boys some dessert. It's gonna be fried tortilla chips, tossed in cinnamon, sugar, and topped with honey. It's a really good treat, so we're gonna get started on that right now. So I'm just frying the tortillas in the oil. I cut them in triangles. I'm frying them for about 30 seconds to 45 seconds. Take them out and I throw them in this pan with cinnamon and sugar. I kind of just batter them up. They're really good. They're really similar, basically the same thing as elephant ears, if you guys ever had those. But it's a very easy, delicious snack. So once you toss it in the cinnamon and sugar, you want to top it with some honey. And that is a very delicious snack. What do you think, buddy? So we're all from Washington State and we moved to Oklahoma about 5 years ago. But one of my favorite things to do in Washington is on special occasions we'd go to the beach and we would have bonfires right on the coast and barbecue oysters. And so when we do this here, it kind of reminds me of home and I love it. And so we do it, what, almost every camping trip, guys?
Yeah, it's a
Yeah.
tradition.
So it reminds us of home. Hey Jax, you want to go explore that cave right there?
Yeah, good.
All right, so we're fishing on this bank right here and we see this cave. We're gonna go explore it. All right, buddy, get up there. Huh? This is pretty cool. Bird's nest. Oh, there's people that hang out up here, huh?
No evidence.
Look at the view that we have.
I don't know where the bird's at. The bird nest.
No mountain lion in there?
Got sand bass. Is it? Oh, it's a largie. Nice, man.
It's cute for a catcher's bait. Look at this, guys.
Nice. What kind of fish is that, Jax?
A bass.
A bass. A largemouth bass. All right, Jax, there's another cliff right there. Do you want to go explore it?
Yeah.
Come on, Jax. This is a dried up creek bed.
I know.
And then it goes this way. And it goes down the waterfall to the lake. Come on, let's keep going. So, it's all dried up.
Oh, rain again. To hold the creek go again.
Yeah, that'd be cool, huh? I'm stuck in all the sycamore bushes. Help me, Jax.
Oh, crickle.
Oh,
Wow.
got out.
Good.
That was a close one.
It's always
Oh, Jax, don't move, buddy. No fast action. The snake.
a snake. A snake.
No,
Snakies.
no fast action, buddy.
I love snakes.
That might be a water moccasin.
Bite. Look, I want a snake. My favorite. I love snakes.
I don't know my snakes too well. It might be a water snake, I'm not too sure. But it also might be a water moccasin. Let me know down in the comments. We gotta get going, it's getting late. We don't have that much sunlight left. We're gonna get back and cook up some dinner. But I don't like snakes at all. So that got my heart pumping just a little bit.
Bud.
All right, we're cooking some brats tonight for dinner. You ready, buddy?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, buddy. Delicious. All right, guys. Well, it's been a fun day, and we're gonna lay down and get some rest. We'll see you guys in the morning. Good night.
Baby.
You ready to pack up camp and get out of here? All right, guys. It's been fun, but we gotta get home, so we're gonna start packing up, and get on the road. Sound good? All right. All right, buddy. You're about ready to go home? All right. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button.
And click the bell.
It makes it possible for us to continue to make videos.
If you like our videos, click the side button down below.
We'll post a video every week. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.
Bye. Bye.